Hello, hi, this is Andrew, and I'm hopefully going to make a short video here on how to do a encrypted file and decrypt the file, and also to make a SSH key as well. All right, so right now I'm using Ubuntu, latest version, using a virtual machine. And all right, so first off, I'm in a folder, a directory called test. There's nothing in here, so let's make a file. And Control D, Control C. Okay, so let's encrypt this file, gpg-c, and the file is test. There we go, and it's going to ask for a password to put on there, so okay, there you go. So I'll show you what happens now it's encrypted. That's what it looks like. There you go. Just looks crazy. All right, so all right, now let's go and let's decrypt it. So GPG. And I'm not going to overwrite it, so no. I'm going to call it test2. There we go. Encrypted, decrypted. Oh, encrypted, then decrypted. All right, so now let's go. Let's clear this out. Okay, let's go, and there's this program I found out recently. It is what's it called? ssh-keygen. This works generically on Ubuntu. All right, so create a key. We're going to call it. I'm going to call it this passphrase. Okay. There you go. So it's still in the same directory. So, all right. So here's the public key. So the public key is right here. And the public, see public.pub, and that's the secret key, the private key. So cat, see. Okay, there's the private key. Here's the public key. All right, and yeah, I hope this helps anybody. Now, I don't have a server, so I'm not going to show the total encryption method where you can pass the public key on and everything. So this pretty much concludes this video. Let me know if you think in the comments, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.